Hi everyone, this is cellulose. The second mass extinction in the history of life on Earth, called the Late Devonian Mass Extinction, happened 375 million years ago and wiped out 75% of all species. To this day, we do not know for certain what caused this extinction. It could have been caused by an asteroid impact, plate tectonics, which is the movement of the Earth's continental plates, or sea level changes. But today, I will explore one very interesting possibility of what caused this extinction. This innocent looking moss. How could this harmless thing cause an extinction? Well, we first must know what the environment was like back then. At the beginning of the Ordovician time period, which is 485 million years ago, there were no land plants. All plants before then had existed in the ocean. Then, 470 million years ago, later in the Ordovician time period, the first plants ventured onto land. This was the moss. They moved from the ocean because one, there was direct access to sunlight, which would allow plants to grow more. And two, there would be rich minerals in the soil that plants could benefit from, that they could not get in the water. And three, out in the open air, they could get more carbon dioxide. Before the Ordovician time period, the oxygen levels were much lower than they are today. But after plants began to colonize land, these plants quickly developed and spread throughout the surface of the earth, evolved into more complex plants with complex systems, such as ferns and trees. All of this used a lot of carbon dioxide. And as plants absorb more carbon dioxide, they also produce more oxygen. This caused an increase in oxygen and a decrease in carbon dioxide. The sudden drop in greenhouse gases caused temperatures to drastically go down. The cold temperatures then caused a glaciation during the Devonian time period. This may have caused the extinction of some species. Another cause of extinction may have been a sudden increase in algal blooms due to moss. Rocks contain an essential mineral called phosphorus. Phosphorus is needed for cell growth. When moss grew on rock, the moss would damage the rock. This causes the rock to release phosphorus into oceans. This sudden abundance of phosphorus triggered algal blooms. These algal blooms release toxins into oceans, killing some marine animals, but more importantly, absorb lots of oxygen, suffocating the other organisms that were in the water. This combination of glaciation and algal blooms may have contributed to the late Devonian extinction. Don't you find it interesting that this seemingly insignificant event, such as the moss moving from ocean to land, could have caused such a mass extinction? Since this mass extinction occurred such a long time ago, it is difficult to assign a singular cause. But what we know from sedimentary record is that the late Devonian was a time of environmental change, which directly affected organisms and caused extinction. Currently, there is a lot of debate on global warming. Hopefully, the study of impact of environmental change in the past can help increase the awareness and understanding of potential impact of environmental changes. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching! Happy mossing!